ओके, तो मैं बात करने वाली हूँ सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक, ओके, जो हम सब करते हैं। और वो पता है क्या? वो है जब आप बाहर ट्रैवल कर रहे हो और आपने इंटरनेट यानी कि सिम का जो भी प्लान किया है वो फेल हो जाता है। फेल कैसे हो जाता है? ओके, तो आपने रील देखी होगी, ओके, दैट यू कैन बाय द सिम फ्रॉम हियर, फ्रॉम एयरपोर्ट और मे बी outside in the city, okay, but the real problem, because not everyone is traveling the same way, right? Everyone have their different plans, okay? Not everybody is going from the airport to the hotel only, but you must have different plans like me, okay? So let me tell you. So I have planned everything, so I will talk about everything I have written, okay? So first mistake that we did was booking the eSIM. So if you're planning, don't do this eSIM or internet mistake, okay? So what I have learned after this first international trip, which was Vietnam plus Phuket, okay? So I have booked this eSIM like just before our travel. So 5 days before our travel, okay? So I was so dumb. I booked this itinerary on in a way where I was stopping, like there was a huge layover in Hanoi, okay, and I took it intentionally because I saw a few videos for shopping, and not the market wala shopping, but this one kind of dress I wanted to like purchase, okay, for my uh, special need. I cannot tell you that. So I wanted to visit that, and unfortunately I forget about it. So I was going from Delhi to Phuket, okay, but via Hanoi, and I forget about it that I'm first landing in Hanoi, and I booked my eSIM for a pickup at Phuket airport. So basically my sim costed like 702 rupees, yeah, for 20 days, because there was a package like you can have for 10 days, 20 days. So I was spending like 12 days there. So I purchased this one 20 days, okay. There was no 15 days package, so I purchased it. So it was costing me total, it costed 702, okay, and it was 4G sim, 5 GB data each day, so it was enough. And you can, of course, if you have one sim data, you can just share it with your friend or partner, and that's enough. So there was no problem about connectivity or sim. It was not a big deal. The problem was basically that I booked it at the wrong airport, and I could have like corrected it, but it needed at least 24 hours or 48 hours before. And I have realized it that I made a big mistake once that period of 24 hours was gone. So basically you can change the airport, because that facility is given to every airport, like Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh, Da Nang, Phuket, or Dalat, wherever you're going, you can just change it. But I couldn't do that, because at the right time, it's really important that you do everything on the right time. Otherwise, even if that's perfect, it can have a big blunder. So why I'm talking about it, because once we arrived at Hanoi, okay, I have like at the airport we went through this immigration and all. So at the airport you get this free internet, right? I searched, and I knew that the cab will cost a lot. Like it was costing 1400 to reach this old quarter. There I have to like visit, as I said. So I searched on the internet. I give you one tip, yeah, my mistake, how you can correct it, and then one more tip. I have everything in my notes. I will share you eventually. So there's a bus, okay, that the Delhi DTC bus or the local bus you can avail at a cheaper rate. So it was costing around 150 or 160 in Indian rupees, okay. So I searched it, and while we were going through the immigration, and then we went out, and then it was nearby the airport, okay. So you can just walk around, and then you will get this bus service. So basically it was okay. We have saved some money. We went, and we deboarded. So basically, oh, what blunder! It's going to be a long video, man. Yeah. Okay, so of course about luggage. Yeah, we cannot take luggage when we are going for a shopping, or we're not stopping there. Okay, it was just a layover, just a stopover. So from the international terminal, we went to the domestic terminal. Okay, we left the bag at the luggage area, okay, and that also costed for like I think for 2 hours. It was, I have everything written. I'm recording this from my phone. Okay, I cannot check it. Okay, I'm sorry. So my topic was only to tell you that a lot more of you guys have details like where you can buy the sim. I have no recommendation. You can buy this or that. Okay, but you have to get the internet before you land there. you should have it. Okay, so this whole time after we arrived whole old quarter, okay, it was so blunder. Like, of course, if I remember now, if I recall it now, it is like a funny story, okay, that I can tell everybody, that how it feels being without internet. And the biggest mistake that we did, we knew after checking the map that it's this walking distance and all, and we were walking. Of course, in a new city, you cannot just have an idea that if you any one of you have like walked in the old quarter area, like different area, not the just the market one or the Beer Street, but the other area like the lakeside. Which lake is that? Okay, leave it. So it's basically, so we were asking everybody, like every corner we went and then asked those people that we have to go there and there. Of course, they cannot understand because it was not a famous market or a mall, but it was a shop that we were looking. So we asked everybody, every corner, to like let us use the map. But even if they have like helped us using their phone, but it was too difficult. So we have, I'm not lying, okay, we have walked almost 2.5 hours barefoot, no, not barefoot, but that whole area. And yes, if you're asking, we have arrived at the destination, not exactly, but I had like a list of 5 to 6 store, and we visited 1 2, I guess, and then other stores. Problem was that it was a waste of time, and I could have enjoyed that time period, that stopover, like roaming around and visit this famous places, but I couldn't because I had different plans and it was all waste. And that because of no internet. Yeah, so it was so pathetic. I was sweating and we couldn't like without internet. We had some cash, but we chose that we're gonna scroll and walk and go there. So we were just roaming around, and we cannot tell anybody where we want to go because we don't have internet. So I can only tell you that don't do this same mistake, okay? And don't overplan, because इससे भी बहुत दिक्कत हो जाती है that you overplan your small time. So I did. You don't do that. For store recommendation, if you want, I can tell you, but there is only a chance where you can get a dress or outfit if you have like the size they have in Vietnam is totally different. So if I'm wearing medium here, I am extra large. Yeah, in so they have this zero size type. Okay, so basically they have small. So here in India, if you're medium or small, you're gonna have. If you're small, you will have to have large there, and that's very rare that they for every outfit. Basically, the dresses they only have this extra small or small there. So if you are wearing here extra small, then you can get, or extra small you can get. But if you are medium, it's very rare that you're gonna get a dress. However, I have got the dress not from there, but from Phu Quoc, and I have already, I think, added that picture of that dress. If you wanna know, it's a very different story. We were not so. Just leave it. Okay, so don't do this mistake, and I will come back again with different blunder. So bye bye.